Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be testing out something new. Well, not new, but new to me. So I showed it to you guys in my Ulta haul a few weeks ago, and I have been getting messages to try it, and yes, I'm still trying it, and I still have a bunch of makeup to try for you guys. Sorry, I have gone through some medical issues and stuff like that, so I'm going to try to, push out a little bit more videos soon for you guys. So, yeah, if you want to see how this new thing works on my hair, then just keep watching. Okay, so as I was saying, we are going to be trying out the Bed and Head Swerve and Curve today. I tried to find like a YouTube tutorial on it before I ordered it, but I didn't really find any good ones. Like I found like one where she just used like the crimper, but I'm not sure how the wand is gonna work. I think the concept is good. Like you don't have to have two hair tools, and it's just a 2-in-1 kind of thing. But does it work is what I want to know, because if it does, I mean, that's a game changer. So it's not on, it is plugged up, it's not on right now. So you do have like a low setting, medium, and then a high, and then it just has like the off and on switch. So I'm gonna use it on high just because my hair is so long and thick. I try to get all my hair in the frame, but because my hair is so long, I don't know if it will, but I'm gonna try. And I wanted to do this video today because I do have to wash my hair, so if it is a disaster and it doesn't work, I can just go wash my hair. So if you see any dry shampoo or anything, mind your business, because it is going to get washed. And it did come with this little glove, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. Maybe if I try to curl my hair with it, I will one day, but not right now. So while it's heating up, I'll read you some claims on it. So it says high heat up to 400 degrees, multiple heat settings, auto shut off, plate locking switch, instant heat recovery, cool tip, dual voltage for travel, bonus heat protectant glove, and it has a 3-year warranty on it. It says how to get the look. For beachy waves, starting at the roots, lightly clamp 1-inch sections of hair between the waver plates and hold for a few seconds. For tousled loose curls, wrap your hair around the barrel like a curling wand. Okay, I mean, pretty self-explanatory, but okay. Okay, so I don't know if, it's strong enough to do my thick hair without sectioning it off, but we're going to do the sectioning off. And like I said, I have super thick, long hair, so if it works for me, it probably works for anybody. So we're going to give it a whirl. I'm going to start in the back. Okay, I mean, so it does look like your just basic kind of waver. So, I mean, it's working. And I only leave it on my hair for like 3 seconds because, like, I mean, I don't want to, catch my hair on fire or burn it. So, it does get really hot. Like, I feel it close to my ear. So, I don't never go all the way to the roots, like, near my ear, because I have bad habits of, like, burning my ear with straighteners and curling wands, and it hurts really bad. So what have you guys been up to? Like, is it hot where you live? I'm in Alabama, as you know, and it is blistering freaking hot and humid. So I don't like those two things together. I can deal with the hot, but I can't deal with the humid. Like, I don't like feeling all sticky and gross. Did y'all have a good 4th of July? I know I'm a little late, but we went to Shane's parents' house for a cookout and a pool party. And my whole family came, and it was really fun, and we shot fireworks and everything. And poor Stu Man, he was fascinated with bottle rockets, and he ran after one, and he got burnt on his chest. So I've been tending to him. He's fine. It's just, a little burn, but I was just like, come on, Stewie, why you gotta chase after the daggum things? So that side was pretty easy too. I've got to get a haircut or a hair trim, like something serious. I haven't gotten a hair trim. I know it since like the pandemic began, like in February, March. So like I have hella split ends, and yeah, I need it trimmed pretty bad. So that is the bottom of the first layer. It seems to be holding pretty well. Turn around so you guys can kind of see it. Like I said, my hair is super long, so it's kind of hard to get in the frame. I mean, how cute is this? The only thing about a waver is, like, you can't really brush it out until you get done. And I don't ever brush my hair out when I do like a crimper on it, just because it makes it look really frizzy on my hair. But like when I curl it with like a wand or a curling iron or anything, I'll lightly brush it out. So like when you're sectioning it off, it is kind of hard to like, you know, maintain which section you're doing, especially when you have a lot of hair like me. I don't see how people get so close to the root of their hair with things like this, because I feel like mine would just be like, I don't know, look like a hot mess. Like I feel like I have so much volume in my hair and it's already so thick. So I feel like it would look like so poofy and like, I don't know, just gross. Have y'all ever seen the video of that girl on YouTube and she's trying to curl her hair and she burns it off? She's like super young. She's like, what, maybe like 10 or something. She just like curls it all the way up to her forehead and it just burns off. And I was like, whoa, I would die. I would straight up die. And another funny hair video is when that girl, the little girl, she cuts her own bangs. I know there's a few of them like it, but this girl cuts her own bangs and they look horrid. I think she has like dark black hair, but her mom comes in there and her mom starts laughing so hard at her, and I'm like, that's probably gonna be me when I'm a mom. Sorry kid, but it probably is. Because, I mean, kids just do dumb stuff. So I mean, are you even a kid if like you don't try to cut your own hair or like do something stupid, have like a huge kind of, you know, fashion mishap or hair mishap or makeup mishap? You know, I feel kind of bad for like the kids nowadays, because I mean, like they're not all this new nice, you know, high-end great makeup that's come out. Like we didn't have that growing up. Like we had like L'Oreal and Maybelline and CoverGirl, and it was that mousse. It was in a jar, and it was it Maybelline? I can't remember who made it, but I mean everybody that wore it, like their faces were orange, and then of course you had the blue eyeshadow with like the super super nude pink metallic or like glittery lip. That was like my middle school kind of phase. And then I went through a phase. I'm gonna try to find pictures one day and show y'all. But then I went through a phase where like I was like a punk rock kid. I never cut my hair any kind of crazy. I put some color in it, like not too crazy. But I did do that to where like I had dark eyes, like dark lips. It was pretty wild. You know, those are the good old days. Like kids these days never gonna know, like, you know, walking around with an orange face, or like nobody knew back then to blend it down your neck. You had to make sure it matches. Oh gosh, nobody knew about like contouring, highlight, anything like that. So your face was literally just like one color, unless you use like some blush. So I mean, so you know, it's not fair. Everybody should go through a crappy phase. But nowadays, like 13-year-olds know how to contour better than like adults. I just saw like a little missing piece back here. I'm gonna grab real quick. Anyway, I should just, you know, finish the look like this. Oh yeah. It's also kind of hard to do hair in my filming room, just because I don't have like a huge mirror on my desk right now. I'm looking for one to get, because like I want a specific one where it's like big but not too big to like fit on my desk with all my other equipment on it. And also like I want it to light up so I can have a little bit more light. And I want it to be flat. Like I don't want a big bulky one where it takes up a lot of space. And so my wedding planner called me yesterday, and we're going to look at my venue to, you know, get the final measurements and stuff on the 8th. So I'm glad to know things are kind of like opening back up so I can start like kind of planning and stuff again. Because I was kind of like worried, because I was like, if, you know, we're getting married on May 1st of next year. So I was kind of worried, because I was like, well, I mean, am I going to even have time to finish planning anything? Because everything's still kind of like reopening, or like, you know, they have certain stipulations that you have to follow and guidelines. So I was like, well, how am I even going to be able to plan if like all this other stuff is still going on? And you know, and I tell you what, y'all, if y'all live in a city where y'all have, or you have to work somewhere where you have to wear a mask 24/7, I feel for you, honey. I had to go get an MRI on my shoulder, and that was like the first like kind of time like I actually had to wear a mask for a longer period of time. And like I said, I'm in Bama, so it's already hot. I mean, talking about so hot. So like trying to breathe in that bad boy, oh my god, like it's no joke. So for you guys that have to wear a mask all the time, I feel you. Like, praying for you, because that's shit. I should pray myself, because that is no joke. Oh, that's pretty. I like it. Whew, one more section to go. I'm getting some kind of hot now because this heat on this thing is something serious. Yeah, this thing is like no joke hot. I know why I came with a daggum glove now. I know other people probably look like so much cuter and better like doing a hair tutorial where they're just like, oh, everything just came out perfect, like look at everything. But I got a lot of hair, and I'm just, you know, keeping it real with you guys how it's really like doing your hair, especially long thick hair. Alright, one more final piece. I didn't do this with my other one because like I have my part over here, so like I wanted to get like the roots right here. So one more and we should be done. Okay, so that is it. Everything looks really pretty and good except like my roots right here. I'm gonna have to figure out like how I can do it without, you know, trying to like, you see what I'm talking about, like when I'm talking about like creasing, I'm talking about like right here, whatever. Like I gotta figure out how like I can avoid that so it don't look like a hot ass mess. I think next time I'm just like, I never part my hair in the middle, but I think next time I'm just gonna like part it in the middle just so like one side won't be kind of like thicker than the other. But I mean, for the most part, I mean, this is like, I think it's pretty. Like it looks really good. So that is it for this video. As far as the crimper on this, I do give it a 2 thumbs up. I'm going to keep playing around with it, and I'm going to straighten my, or not straighten, I'm going to part my hair down the middle to kind of see if that helped with like how thick like my roots are kind of. See if that helps it out like to crimp a little better, because like I've been telling y'all, my hair is super thick and long. But we'll see. I'm going to keep testing it out for you guys. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!